Hello everybody, my name is Jane Lee and welcome to Come Cook with Jane, a show that simplifies Asian-inspired dishes with readily available ingredients. I want to help you demystify Asian cooking so that you can come up with new and delectable dishes for you and your family. Today, I want to introduce to you one of my all-time favorite dishes, japchae. It is a noodle dish that takes clear potato starch noodles mixed together with julienne sauteed vegetables and a marinated protein of your choice. It is brought together with a sauce that is sweet, savory, and nutty. And it will sure to tickle the palates of everybody in your family. In my household, my children can't get enough of it, and in fact, neither can my husband or I. It is relatively easy to make and follow along, so I can't wait for you guys to try it. Shall we get started? The following is the ingredient list for today's recipe. Take 20 grams or 3 cloves of garlic and chop it up. I personally like to use a microplank to expedite the process, but you can use anything you like to get the job done. Now for the beef marinade. Take 100 grams of ribeye fillet and chop it into thin strips. For the marinade, take half a teaspoon of minced garlic, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, add 1 teaspoon of mirin. Now pour in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Now add the thin strips of beef into the marinade and mix accordingly. Take 130 grams or a third pound of a small onion and cut into thin strips. Take 200 grams or half a pound of a carrot and peel the vegetable. Cut the vegetable into thin matchstick pieces. I like to use a julienne peeler to shred the vegetable. Take 100 gram or a fifth pound of fresh shiitake mushrooms and cut it into thin strips. You can also use other varieties of mushrooms as well. Take 200 grams or half a pound of spinach and quickly blanch it for 30 seconds in hot boiling water and then quickly shock it in ice water to stop the cooking process. Now remove from water and wring out any excess liquid by hand. Take 200 grams or 8.8 ounces of sweet potato starch noodles and cook in boiling water for about 8 minutes and strain when ready. Now it's time to season the noodles. Take 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Now add 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Now get your hands in there and mix all the ingredients together. Now take 2 teaspoons of vegetable oil, 2 teaspoons of garlic, and lightly saute over a hot fire. Now throw in the shredded carrots and chopped onions and saute the vegetables. Next, put in the marinated beef and cook on the side of the wok. Now saute the sliced mushrooms with the ingredients. Finally, throw in the blanched spinach and saute with the remaining ingredients. Once you're done sauteing the ingredients, place the finished product over the seasoned noodles and let it cool for a few minutes. Now pour in 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, add 2 tablespoons of sugar, and finally add 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Now roll up your sleeves and thoroughly mix the ingredients together by hand. And here is the delicious finished product. It doesn't hurt to give it a taste, and you can adjust the seasoning accordingly to your taste. Now transfer the finished product onto a serving plate and sprinkle with sesame seed. Well, all of our hard work has finally paid off because look how beautiful the finished product is. It is colorful, delicious, inviting, and it's asking me to try some, so I'm definitely going to do it now. So the best way to enjoy this dish is to take the various components that you've put together with the noodles and to try to get it into one bite. So this is what I'm going to do. And here we go. You guys have to try this. It takes the springiness and the chewiness of the potato glass noodles mixed together with the sweet, savory, and nuttiness of soy sauce, sugar, and sesame oil, put together with the crunchiness of the sauteed vegetables and the marinated beef. It is a flavor explosion in your mouth, which keeps making you go back for some more. I'm definitely going to eat more of this after the show is over, maybe perhaps all of it by myself. Well, thank you so much for following along with me today. Please let me know what you thought about the show in the comments below. Don't forget to hit like and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!